All right. So we met him. He called us, and we had a healthy conversation with him. You could see a man who is matured. He's been in this game for a very long time. He appealed to us to rescind our decision.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Yeah, nurses, our beautiful nurses, always smiling nurses. Omudodo na over 120,000 ever the whole Ghana. From 2nd June, month way, Busumi way, 2nd June, and I'm starting some industrial action. Now before I start industrial action, no, omu the roadmap be by. Now, sa roadmap no, they said say on the 1st and 2nd, they were going to just wear red armband to signal say maybe cause danger. Ye niabri go. Is it go? Ye niabri go. I think go. It was red, eh? So they did that. Now they said on the 4th, forward, I think 4th, 5th seat, no, they were going to withdraw their services from special clinics, specialist clinics, renal clinic, I think physiotherapy, dietetics clinics, and all those ones. They were going to withdraw their services, and now OPD services will be withdrawn. Now in the home pictures are every the various hospitals are some of them which I will display on the screen for you to see. You realize indeed your nurse is forward omoniabri ko. Now demonstration another strike we almost from the 9th of June 9th they are going to completely stop working. And you say go for awards more attending to patient Now, they had given notice, about a 1 week notice to Ministry of Health. Ministry of Health are under Kwabnam Akandon. Sat down to call their bluff. Okay? Do your worst. Now, instead say Ministry of Health under Minta Akandon will quickly call GRNMA to negotiate with them. They rather pass their bag to go to UP, another association be. Sa association quite necessary was association no. Omun drew even 25,000 nurses. And ti omu ko kasa kire omu say oh chale e mamu fi perpetua there or your MPP ni kunu your MPP ni ntina MPP ni abamu ntina your strike. But that same perpetua was organizing strikes when MPP was in power. And they thought say by going to other associations maybe psychiatric nurse association and the others, they were going to cause confusion into the whole strike of the GRNMA. Okay, but what has come up now is that almost all the nurses have agreed say those condition of services, as I say, you implement it. At the end, it's simple and here. Under Akufo-Addo, the government last year sat down with the nurses, approved some condition of service for them. Other associations is also the same. Doctors. And the others. Now, NDC Baba Emono, omutimi implemented doctors ne de, and I'm seeing nurses no de munkoda. And the way the nurses no say omunti ase, because omunya na omu hospital no. So otimi ye ma ba kufo a, say yen so ayewo ha no, say oye maye, and san say a agreement ayewo ho, say from January say o implement it. Now, almost started a strike new year no. Afen na minister no fa ne phone na ofrefre. Go for a strike. No, buy a motor abamo. Feel say, your demeanor will compose your attitude and say different from when you are in opposition. What position more you can carry yourself say we are radical, we unti obi na open away and all those. But when you come into government, you must be humble and listen to people's pleas.
But after we explained the issues to him, he understood it. We had a point, and he promised to intervene, to call Dr. Atufosin and the sector minister to see how best he could intervene to resolve the issues. I must say that the discussion was fruitful, but obviously it fell short of our demands. We were very exact in our demands. That's not to say that we have taken an entrenched position or intransigent position, but Of course, if you look at the Nigerian position of the ministry, it tells you that we need to push harder. And we said, yes, we will still keep to our roadmap, but we'll give him the opportunity to intervene as he alluded to. But as I said, his plea fell short of our demands, and therefore, Luther continua.
Luta continua, you say. What about emergency services? At least, just because the minister said that he was hoping for a fruitful, cordial dialogue, as it were. Would you want to at least attend to emergency services whilst this dialogue continues?
You know that we gave a very, elastic roadmap to give the sector minister and the minister for finance the opportunity to do what they are supposed to do. My dear sister, I just want the people of Ghana to know that it is not something that we are going to sit down to renegotiate. I'm saying that we have gone past that stage. We have already negotiated a condition of service, sealed and signed. Let me bring this to your attention. Do you know that in 2016, our condition of service was not implemented? Similarly, the current Minister for Finance was the Deputy Minister under Mr. Seteke. So we are pained by his attitude towards necessary and midwifery practice and the fact that they don't consider that our work is essential. It's unfortunate, okay? And my heart bleeds because I thought that we're not going to get here. The Ghanaians are not a target. Even the government is not a target. We are dealing with the employer, and I said earlier on, we don't care about which government is in power. We're dealing with employer. Employer remains the same. And therefore, we think that they will do the needful. All what we are asking is a very simple thing. They should just approve the document, and then we can sit down to look at the implementation. And I think that is a very simple ask that they can meet.
Your point well noted, but you're not even concerned that even in these few hours, you could have people dying, including pregnant women?
It's a terrible thing. I will urge all Ghanaians to look for other private hospitals that can provide such services. It's unfortunate. They should turn their attention to government, and the employer should do the needful. And we are ready to come back. Even if they sign the document, the next ad, we call off the strike action.
We'll end it here. Thank you very much, David Tenkorang Chumesi.
Yes. Now, if you as an employer, and as a government, you don't want to listen to the people's plea, the people also will bite you where it hurts the most. And where it hurts the most, they say they will withdraw their services. In the end, Ghanaians are going to suffer. Once Ghanaians start suffering, they will start calling for change. To start seeing the government we are incompetent. Because they even though you think say Ghanaians have short memory, sometimes through suffering, short memory does disappear. And when short memory does disappear, it becomes something else. And the Minister of Health, Mr. Akando, he has failed woefully. Because he could have prevented this strike. He could have prevented this strike. If not because of carrying him to say some Arab king, Arabian king, no. You don't run a government, you don't run a country this way. NDC, the earlier you sit down and learn, the better. Otherwise, this is just less than 6 months of you in power. Less than 6 months. Hey, anyway, I mean, share, I mean,